The aerial yoga study was very fulfilling and wholesome. We were not just taught about the different asanas which are not taught anywhere else, but we were also taught how exactly to do it, what kind of instructions we should give, and more importantly, what are the different benefits that each asana gives. And what are the extra benefits of aerial yoga compared to simple mat yoga or hut yoga. It also had a lot of information about what we should avoid, who should avoid which pose. If we have different problems like diabetes, then what are the specific asanas for that kind of disease or problems. So that is why the overall experience was very wholesome in every way. There was no stone unturned and no topic that was left.
Next yoga style.
Prenatal.
How do you see pregnancy yoga study at Excel?
So pregnancy yoga is something that can be very, very crucial for mothers, because we have to not just take care of the mother but the baby also, and there are a lot of restrictions that come along when it comes to doing yoga when pregnant. So all of these instructions were taught very carefully during pregnancy yoga. Who all should avoid, what are the conditions that are considered to be abnormal, or what are the specifications for every asana, how many times we should practice an asana, what is the time limit for each type of yoga, whether it is kundalini, chanting, pranayam, etc. So such specifications were given in this, which makes it very safe for us as instructors, which is why all the pregnant women who would want to do pregnancy yoga would trust us completely.
Next yoga style.
Restorative.
How do you see restorative?
Restorative yoga is a type of yoga which is very underrated, and it has a lot of benefits. This is a kind of yoga that almost everyone can do, especially people who want to recover from any major surgeries, or if they have any major issues like vertigo, etc. So this kind of yoga style can be very beneficial if it is taught in the right way, because if we have to maintain an asana for more than 12 or 10, 15 minutes, then we should do it correctly, otherwise it can have adverse effects. So everything was taken care of when this topic was being taught at Exhale Yoga School.
Very nice. How about next yoga style?
Power yoga.
How do you see power yoga?
Power yoga is a very upcoming field in yoga. So we were taught about everything that is concerned with power yoga, whether it is what is the history of power yoga, how has it been derived from vinyasa, what are the different styles, whether it is for upper body, side body, lower body, overall body, everything, all these different variations were also taught in power yoga. We were also taught what are the different benefits of power yoga compared to hot yoga, what are the differences, and how we should also take care, because this can be a little risky also. So what are the different precautions that we should take and who should avoid, which is very important.
Very nice. How about the last one?
Overall 200 hours.
Okay, yeah, 200 hours. So that was vinyasa style, flow yoga.
Flow yoga. So the overall flow yoga, which includes all the different parts of yoga, whether it is the different 8 steps of yoga, everything was taught very perfectly. So we were not just only taught what is the practical and physical form of yoga, where we have to do different asanas or different nauli kriyas, but we were also taught the history of yoga, how it is very, very majorly connected to Hinduism, then how the different 8 steps of yoga are very important, and how yoga is not just a form of physical exercise or activity that we should do, but it is more of a lifestyle. That importance of yoga, which is very important, was taught. So the original and ancient form of yoga was taught, which is very important, which I think that not everyone is able to learn these days.
Thank you, Jashi.
Thank you, sir.